Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today I am going to fit some new summer wheels on M3 and remount the exhaust and maybe do some other stuff and then wash this diesel car that I'm driving right now so it's ready for sale, and also wash my M3 because it's a nice not hot but it's a nice sunny day out today, and yeah, it is kind of cold, but yeah, the spring is really starting to come together now, so I'm really excited about that. Let's just wash my 320 diesel at the shop, and after we do that we go home again, get my M3, and then we can start working on that. Okay, we got no rear muffler, and yeah, it's loud. It's seriously just way too loud. Maybe do understand that I cannot drive with this because I don't know if the camera can pick up how loud it is, but it's way too loud. It's, yeah, I need a muffler back here. Okay, let's get that exhaust back on because it's way too loud. Okay, this should be very easy. It would be, I am just going to mount a bolt up there and up there, and then it's the same here, just 4. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then also connect these. So it should be pretty easy. Okay, the exhaust is done, and now it's time for some new wheels. So I'm gonna take these off and mount the 18-inch wheels I brought. Oh yeah, big brake discs. Okay, the brake discs that I have right here are mounted the wrong way around. So this was on the left side and this needs to be on the right side, because when it goes like that, the pattern is like, yeah, reversed, so it doesn't get the air out. So these get very hot when you are going on track or driving hard in general, so it's very important that these are the correct way. So we're now going to take this on the right side and take the one from the right side to the left side.
Because the pattern.
The pattern.
It's 2.
Here we have the Super Sports Evolution Black. No, it's not.
Powered by KD.
Okay, guys. Here we have the Super Sport Black Evolution. Evoluzione. Coilovers. With this T30mm.
You know what coilover?
Brake disc. This will go good for racing, and it's now the right way, so the air will go out and it will be good. And we are now doing the same process in the back. We are also changing the discs in the back. Okay, time to fit these wheels. These are like TSW Nurburgring wheels, so they are pretty lightweight and yeah, they look pretty cool. Time for a wash. This is not my wheels, I'm just borrowing them to see how they look, so I will adjust the car lower afterwards or later, but not today, because it is too high right here. But yeah. Later I will buy some new wheels, maybe 18 or 19, I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking about 19. Okay, I am finally done for today. We got a lot more done actually than I was supposed to do. We got the wheels, the exhaust, and I got to change over the brake disc. I have not been telling you about that, but that has been bothering me for quite some time. Ever since I bought the car, I saw that the vents or like the brake discs was not the right position and they were like the opposite way. So now we flip them and the right side is on the left side and the left side is on the right side again. So now it's all good. So now it's time to get home and yeah, I'm really getting to like this car. The only thing remaining now is get those M3 seats and fix the heat in the car because it's still not working, but it's getting like it's spring, almost spring now, and summer soon, so it will get hotter. But I would like to have some, yeah, it's kind of windy here. Either way, I would like to get some heat in the car, but yeah, the car is really shaping up. I mean, look at it, it's looking really good, really good. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my content, and subscribe if you haven't already with notification, and follow me on Instagram if you're not already doing that. So yeah, hope you're having a good day, at least I am, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.